Myself Karthik from Triple E first year. My roll number is 244Z1A0221. Today my topic is a presentation on accessing, displaying and printing the element of two-dimensional array. Introduction to two-dimensional arrays. A two-dimensional array is a data structure that organizes data in rows and columns. It can be visualized as a table or matrix where each element is identified by two indices. Understanding how to access, display and print it elements is essential for effective data manipulation. Structure of two-dimensional array. A two-dimensional array consists of a fixed number of rows and columns. Each element can be accessed using its row and columns index starting from 0. For example, in a 3 into 3 array, valid indices would be range from 0, 0 to 2, 2. Declaring a two-dimensional array. In many programming languages, a two-dimensional array can be declared using specific syntax. For instance, in C++, it can be declared as int array 3 of 3 to create a 3 into 3 array. Initial values can also be assigned at the time of declaration for better clarity. Accessing elements in a two-dimensional array. Elements are accessed using the syntax array row, column. This allows you to read or modify specific elements directly. For example, array 1 of 2 would be access the element of second row and third column. Displaying elements of a two-dimensional array. Displaying elements typically involves nested loops to iterate through each row and column. The outer loop iterates through rows while the inner loop accesses each column in that row. Using printf in C or print in Python can help in displaying the elements in a user-friendly format. Printing a two-dimensional array. Printing can be achieved by formatting the output for clarity and readability. Each row can be printed on a one line with the elements separated by spaces or commas. This formatting enhancing the presentation of the matrix-like structure. Example code for accessing elements. Consider a simple example in Python. Array is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You can access the element array 0 of 1, which would return 2. This syntax is consistent across various programming languages with minor variations. Example code for displaying elements. In Python, you can use nested loops for row in array, followed by for column in row. This structure allows you to print each element within the loop. The result will display all elements in a structured manner, resembling a table. Pitfalls and common errors. Half by one errors can occur if indices are incorrectly referenced, leading to unexpected results. Ensure to always check the dimensions of the array to avoid accessing out of bounds elements. Debugging is crucial when working with nested loops in order to trace errors efficiently. Conclusion and best practices. Mastering two-dimensional arrays. Enhance your programming skill set significantly. Always initialize your arrays and check their dimensions before accessing elements. Practicing with various examples will solidify your understanding of this important data structure. Final. Thank you.